let's paint. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to approach it from left to right. I'm going to start with my flowers, and I'm going to start with the purples. Then I'm going to let that settle a little bit, come over to my butterfly, and then I'm going to come back and add my oranges and my yellows to the centers of the flowers. Okay, that's my plan. Okay, I'm using a number 14 Escoda brush, and I'm going to come in here and grab some of the purple that we created. And I'm letting my brush make the petals. Might pick up another color on there just to kind of add a little bit of color variation. So I start kind of wide in the middle and bring it out to a point. And I do have some medium. That medium that I'm using here is Galkid. Oh, that one, this one, Galkid. And then in this little pile right here, I also have Neo McGilp. Okay, I like to alternate kind of back and forth on which one I use. Okay. All right, let's see what do we got going on here. There's my butterfly, his little legs. Okay, this is a flower petal. I like using the Neo McGilp sometimes because it just seems to make it really flow a little bit easier, I think, on this paper than the Galkid. Galkid is sticky. So notice I haven't really worried too much about getting in all of the different shadings of the flowers and so on. Come in here and add some of that. Okay. The ones in the background, those are a lot whiter. So I can come back and add the white back in here. Just by grabbing a little bit of the white. Okay, I'll come back through and add some of the darks in there in a little bit. I'm going to let that rest. Okay, on to our butterfly. So what I see in my butterfly right here is there is an intense color pop right here. Okay, Now, I'm going to add nice and thin. So I'm using my gam saw, and I'm going to grab this color right about here. I'm keeping it nice and thin. It comes out to about here. Notice I went over where the black lines would be, and that's because I will come back and add in those details later. Okay, now I'm going to keep it still nice and thin, and I'm going to add the other colors that I see. Well, it's kind of in between these two colors, so I'm going to mix that. That's right about here. Okay, and I still haven't added any black yet. I'm not ready to do that.